students, this is Miss Benningfield. These are my hands. I'm not going to be on there today. What we're going to do today in first period is we are going to ask you, now that you've had an opportunity to talk with your teachers about the classes that you need to take, we're going to be doing a planning form for next year. Now, this is not the order that you're going to take the classes. What we want you to do now is decide which of the classes that you want to take, and let's just actually get it down on paper. So we have different colored sheets. I'm looking at the yellow one, which will be for our juniors to be seniors. And what you'll do is you will place your make sure you get your name and your career major, and we've left a couple blanks because many of our students have 2 career majors. They are doubling up with that. We're going to ask you that you circle the career major that you are in. Now, some of you all have not had an opportunity to go to the vocational school yet, and you're already in another career major, and if you choose to do vocational school, that's great. Go ahead and just circle there, and if you would, circle the area that you are interested in. Then we're going to go down to our required courses. And so every group, every level has a different group. So I'm going to actually take to be juniors, and we're going to look at the blue form with them. All right, so we're going to first look at which English class that you want to take, and there are a lot of options for you your junior and senior year. So if you want to take English 3, AP 3, a dual credit, if you're already ready for AP 4, then you would just put that in the blank. You make this suit your particular schedule. Make sure that you write what math class. I know that I'm going to have to be juniors who are probably going to be ready for Pre-Cal 2, so you can put that as well. Our science class, most of our juniors will be taking chemistry. If you've already had chemistry, then what science class? And guys, one of the things I'm going to talk about, since we talk about doubling up some and being advanced in the classes, we're advanced in a class, or you are, so that you can have access to those higher level math, science, and English courses. So we would like to see that you challenge yourself and take those courses. In social studies, most of our juniors will either be in U.S. history or AP history, and then you'll write down the pathway course that you need to take next, and then electives, and some of those electives will be in your pathways as well. And then I think it's very important, too, that we look at the bottom of the page because you have some yes or no questions. Nothing hard here. But do you have your PE credit, health and PE credit, and that's a full credit? Do you have your credit in arts and humanities? Do you have 2 credits in foreign language? And this isn't a school or a state requirement, but it is for those students who are planning on going on into colleges. Most colleges want to see that you have 2 foreign languages. Do you need to retake a class? And you know if you need to retake a class, make sure you let us know what that is and let you know that you need to put that into your schedule for next year. And just a reminder for upcoming juniors and seniors, to be eligible for STARS or for co-op, you must be preparatory in a career major. So every grade level will have a different form, but something very similar. Seniors, your form is a little bit different just because you really only have 2 required classes besides your career pathway class that you would have to do. I'm really going to encourage you to make good use of your electives and make this work for you. Challenge yourself your senior year because you will benefit from it next year in college. Thank you very much.